Penelope's World. Before we get started, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Woo! So today we are going to be doing I will be pretending to be a mother of two. So packing their lunches. Let's go. And acting in 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We will be making my children's lunch. So we will be packing my youngest first. I ordered some Panda Express. He said he wanted it on Monday, so I ordered it. And then we're going to go with Doritos. He loves Doritos, so we're going to add that in. And then his fork. And then we need his big orange. Let's put that in here. And then his, we're going to add a drink, obviously. We're going to give him orange juice. Shake that up. And then for his little treat, we're gonna give him these popping candies Aftershock. So he likes these, so why not just give it to him? And then we're gonna need him a note. I hope you like it. Love, Mom. So we're gonna add that in here. I don't know where to. Oh no. Let's add it. Let's put that in, and then add it right here. His lunch. Close that. For closing this up, his lunch is ready. Next, my oldest. So we're gonna give him this. I think I got this from a Mexican restaurant. I don't know. It came today. I just forget. I have bad memory. I'm kidding. Well, I forgot. So we're gonna give him this. Oh, I think he ordered this and told me. Yeah. Okay. And then Cheetos. He really likes these granola bars. He barely gets to eat these, so we're just gonna add this for fun. And then his nutrients, an apple. His spoon, fork. And then we're gonna give him his candy, these warheads. And then his drink, it is wakumbacha. I don't know how to say that. We just shake this up. He already ate drank half of it. I don't know. He told me to put it in, so I did it. And then he is in an older level, so he is getting a snack. This mini alphabet cookies. Oh, sorry, that wasn't for him. That was for my other one. He has, they both have snacks, so I just need to pack their snack. And this one's in 4th grade, so obviously mini alphabets. His color is alphabets. Okay, let's put this in. Snack in there with his orange. Close this up. Okay. Then for my oldest, we need a snack. He is gonna get these. Oh, never mind. That is way too much. We're going to give him these nuts. And then they're ready for school. Bye-bye.